Welcome back, Photoshop enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of background removal using the powerful tools in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're an aspiring graphic designer or a photography enthusiast, mastering this skill will significantly enhance your creative projects. So let's get started. The first step is to open your image in Photoshop. Ensure you have a high-resolution image with a clear distinction between the foreground and background. If your subject has intricate details like hair or fur, it's better to choose an image with a simpler background for this tutorial. One of the most basic tools for background removal is the Magic Wand tool. Select it from the toolbar on the left or press the W key. Adjust the tolerance level based on the complexity of your image. A higher tolerance selects more similar colors, while a lower tolerance is more selective. Click on the background area you want to remove, and you'll see a selection appear. To refine the selection, hold Shift and click on additional areas. If you accidentally select parts of the foreground, hold Alt and click to deselect those areas. Now, let's refine the selection using the Refine Edge feature to capture fine details. With the selection active, go to the top menu and click on Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Refine Edge. In the Refine Edge dialog box, you can use various sliders to improve the selection. Play around with the settings such as Smooth, Feather, and Contrast to achieve the desired result. The View mode options can help you visualize the selection better, such as overlaying it on a different background or using a black and white view. For images with more complex backgrounds or subjects with intricate details, we'll use the Quick Selection tool. Select it from the toolbar or press the W key while holding Shift until you find it. Click and drag the tool over the subject to automatically select it. If you accidentally include parts of the background, hold Alt and drag to deselect those areas. Photoshop's intelligent algorithms will try to detect the subject edges, but it might not always be perfect. Once you have your selection, we'll use layer masks to refine it further. Click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. A mask will appear next to the image thumbnail. With the mask selected, choose the Brush tool from the toolbar. Ensure the foreground color is set to black. Brush over any areas you want to remove, and you'll see the background disappearing, revealing transparency. For images with highly detailed subjects or intricate shapes, the Pen tool provides ultimate precision. Select it from the toolbar or press the P key. Carefully trace around the subject, creating anchor points to form a path. Adjust the handles to match the curves of the subject. Once you've completed the path, right-click and choose Make Selection. Now, you can refine the selection using the techniques we covered earlier. And there you have it. By mastering these techniques, you can confidently remove backgrounds using Photoshop. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more graphic design content. And as always, stay inspired and keep designing. Subscribe to Clean Design for weekly design tutorials, tips, and inspiration.